Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Sheung Wan right now, and today we're gonna take the Island Line, and we're gonna take the rest of the section, which is the West Island Line extension of the Island Line. I'm filming this again. Last time we filmed the other way. This time we're gonna film back to Kennedy Town. There is a reason for this. Today is December 28th, and December 28th was the anniversary day for West Island Line extension. It was opened back in 2014, December 28th, 6 years ago. But at that time, Sai Ying Twin Station was not open just yet. It had a delay on the schedule, and it was opened in 2015, early 2015. But overall speaking, this extension opened in 2014, December 28th. So we'll be taking this section today, and also on the same day, it is the 4th anniversary today. It was the 4th anniversary of the South Island Line, so I have done a South Island Line journey, so remember to click the card up top for that 4th anniversary South Island Line. And we'll take to Kennedy Town now. Here we go.
The train to Kennedy Town is arriving. Please let passengers exit first.
Skip forward. Here we are. Apparently this is the same train that I used for the full journey on the South Island Line, on the Island Line. We'll take this train again. A150 and I forgot the number, 112 something, I forgot. But we'll take C150 today. Here we go. We'll wait for the train to leave.
Please stand back from the train doors.
Sai Ying Twin. HKU, we'll skip forward.
请不要靠近车门。Please stand back from the train door.
Kennedy Town, end of the island time. Thank you for travelling on the MTR.
And here's Kennedy Town, the last station. We get off. The train needs to be clear, so. And here's Kennedy Town. We'll wait for the train to leave.
Please exit from the train. Thank you.
Remember to like and subscribe down below. Click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Click on the card up top for more videos. And I'll see you guys next time.
Hold the handrail, stand firm and don't walk.
Peace.